People die day and night, but still the passing of our loved ones is painful to one's heart. People are murdered now and then, but still our hearts are not getting used to it. The passing of Naledi Lethoba shook the media planet. Her gruesome death shakes even those who are still hearted. The vicious death of the 21-year-old leaves South Africa drowning in trauma. Her malicious passing is not to the Sotho nation and family, but to all Azania. It is only animals which can flagitiously separate one's soul from their flesh. We weekly witness coffins being lowered, but sincerely our hearts are bitter, knowing that we shall see them no more. It is not only the family of Lethoba which lost a treasure. It is not only the Mamelang Thuto Secondary School's faith which was taken. It is not only the Bothaville community of Welkom in Free State that lost a future leader, but the whole human race lost a valuable treasure. Her name is Naledi Aselia Lethoba, Lebota. Behold, even God has enemies. Naphiwe Lady Naledi Lethoba, we will not only remember you, but we will miss you. Setlogolwana daily miss you. Aselia, treasure even by name. As of 18 May 2019, Goldfields TVET College didn't lose just a student. As of 19 May 2019, a passerby didn't just see a body lying by Dagbroek Street. As of 14 June 2019, the Constitutional Court won't be dealing with a murder case of just a mortal being. It was of Lethoba Naledi, a believer, a Christian, a hard one massacre this is, that she shall no longer be called Naledi Lethoba, but Naledi. Her death shows how barbaric and inhuman her murders were. Her passing shows how humongous and maleficent her killers, that even when she fought not, they still proceeded to burn her face. Even when she cried for help, they still rebarbatively cut her mammal organs. Hashtag justice for Naledi. Hashtag justice for the dying youth. Compelled and bulldozed, emotionally we are left. Rest in peace, the spirit of our beloved sister Naledi Aselia Lethoba. You shall remain indomitable in our hearts. Your friends are not only the ones who are emotionally paralyzed. Your mates are not only the ones who are emotionally tarnished, perplexed, but the entire human race is mentally harassed, emotionally pulverized. It shall be written even in the books of history that a treasure once visited South Africa, and her name is Naledi Aselia Lethoba. Hashtag justice for Naledi. Hashtag justice.